Yeah, what's up, everybody? Just got to the Target to see what it is that they have. Look at this thing. These things are on sale. 39 bucks. But oh snaps. Yeah. Look here, man. Finally. A Civic. Oh, and they have the red editions. Yep, buddy. One, and one. Yeah. That's nice. Very nice. Let's see what else I don't have. Oh, I don't have this one. Yeah. What else? Whoops. Yeah, I have that one. Oh, snaps. I only had one, but definitely gonna take a second one. Definitely. There's a Batman. I think I grabbed one of these already. I'm not quite sure, but I hope I already did. And the Golf. Yeah, I believe we already got it. Take another one in case we did not get it. Oh, yeah, definitely gonna double on the Fair Lady. Somebody was asking for this one. Oh, look at this one. Might as well. What else? What else? Damn, yeah, I hadn't had these half of these case. Which this is the H case, by the way. I still do not have the regular Cougar, and let alone the Super Cougar, you know what I'm saying? But I did find the regular treasure hunt for this one, I think. Yeah, this is just the leftovers. Oh man. Yeah. Definitely gonna take a JDM Mazda RX-7. The Skull Shaker. Sure, I don't think I have seen this one. Probably gonna have to take it. Or put it on my stash for the meantime, at least. Look at another McLaren. Which this one I'm gonna leave. But I am gonna take this one right here, of course. Yeah. Other than that, Spit Blurred. More peg warmers. El Viento Carbonator. More red editions. And more leftovers. So yeah, this is gonna be my haul. This right here, Spider-Man mobile. One more Cena. This. Two of those. Two Type R's. Of course, you guys know we love JDM, and these three because these are red editions. But that's about it. I'm putting this one back. But yeah. But yeah, man. More of the Batmobiles, Real Riders. Nothing really new. New. Yeah, so this is the haul from Target. Look at these bread editions. Just wanted to give you guys a better look. You guys probably have seen it, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick look. And I like this one, man. This one, I like the colors, white and red. Which, I'm not a big fan of the red editions, but I have to get. I mean, they were there already, so might as well, you know. But yeah, rapid response. Very cool casting right here. Very nice. And we move on to the JDM. Look at this, man. This is very cool. I think that one is not aligned correctly, but oh well. Yeah, this thing is cool right here, man. The RX-7, and look here. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. Oh, what? Let's see what's up with that. I didn't notice that. It's like the license plate smeared. You guys can see it clear here. But this one, it's a little bit smeared. You can see it right there, the Hot Wheels on the license plate. But minor details, you know what I mean? No biggie. And Fair Lady. Yep, very nice. And the McLaren Senna, which these ones already, everybody has them on their video, so is another quick glance. And Golf, of course. We had to get this BW 1552. Anyways, that's it, guys. That's all I bought. Thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know if you guys like once I get home and I show you guys my haul. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, stay hunting, have a nice day. Hope you guys like the video, and if not, yeah, see ya.